Okay, so first off, you need to go to your settings. Just go ahead and open up your settings in your any Android devices. Just go ahead and open it up. And here, as you can see, once you're inside settings, just go ahead and press on connection and sharing. It will be something like this. Or if you can just search it up, I'll show you another method. Just go ahead and press on connection and sharing. And here you'll see the option of private DNS. Just go ahead and open a private DNS. So if you can't find private DNS, just go ahead and press on search, and you can just type in private DNS right over here as well, and it will just bring you directly to the private DNS section. So once you're inside private DNS, what you can do is just go ahead and press on specify DNS, and then it will show you the address of it already, which is dns.adcard.com, and you can just put it in just like that, and make sure to put all this in just like dns.adcard.com and press on save. And once you're done with it, just go ahead and you can just use your web browser, and you won't be getting any ads, and now you've stopped it. And yeah, hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.